So we worked on cropping photo from the profile page where user can change his or her profile photo. Now when we are on register page, there also we have the same functionality. So if we go to our pages and register page.xaml, here we have the user.png default image and a choose photo button. Selecting this, user can trigger the same thing, selection the photo from the device or from direct camera capture. And from here also we'll have that crop image functionality. Alright, so let's quickly work on this. For register page, we are going to have our register view model. So we already have it, register view model. Now here, let's collapse everything. So first thing, we have this image user.png. So we need to have something like private string. So we'll have a photo image source basically. So we'll say underscore photo image source. This is going to be user.png by default, and this is going to be an observable property. Save it. Then let's define an event here. Private async task. Let's say select photo async, and this is going to be an relay command, a relay command. And here we are going to say was selected photo source equals await choose photo async, which is coming from the base view model which we created previously. Now here again we'll check if this is not string dot is null or white space selected photo source, then we know that we have selected some photo. Now if we selected some photo, now we'll take this photo and move this photo to the next page, that is going to be our crop page. Okay, so we can go to profile view model and we can actually copy this section, this thing, parameter selected photo source, and then navigate async on that crop photo. Save it. Now let's quickly use these two things, photo image source and select photo async on the register page.xaml. So the image source we are going to use binding photo image source, and on this button we are going to say command binding select photo command. Save everything and now we should be good. Alright, after this, when we'll come back from this crop photo image, so we are going to use similar thing what we are using here. So this thing, cropped photo source, and this new source is cropped photo source, or maybe let's grab this on cropped photo source, this entire thing, and go to the register view model and paste these things here. Save, and on the top we'll add our query property like this. So save everything, save everything. Now we should be good. Now we are not directly updating, uploading this image when we are changing or cropping the photo. We are not uploading it right away. Okay, we'll upload it when we are clicking on register button, then only we'll update it. Alright, so from here, whatever we are doing in cropped photo source changed, we will not do this API call here. Get rid of this. We'll just set the photo image source equals this new value, so that that photo, cropped photo, gets shown in that user profile photo on the screen. And then when we go and click on that the register button, then it should get this photo source and upload it. Now we have this register async already. Here we have this make API call. Here we'll do upload photo if provided. This thing we are going to do. We'll just check if the photo image source is not equals user.png, which is a default image. If this is not equals user.png, then let's check if this is not string.html or white space. If this is not null and this is not user.png, which is a default image, then we need to upload this image. So we'll follow the same thing we are following in the profile view model, where we are getting the photo name using the open read and all, then photo stream part, all these things basically we are going to use. Let's copy till here. We are getting the path.get file name. This is going to be photo image source. fs file.openRead photo image source. Photo stream part we are getting. And then here we are going to use our auth API dot upload photo async, and we will provide user ID, which we already have, comma stream part photo, which is going to be this photo stream part. And what it returns? It returns task of API result. So we can simply check API result, and if this is not success, we can simply show the error, return from here, and if that was successful, we can simply do this. We'll directly continue processing further. But this is not actually the actual error. If we say, maybe if user photo was not uploaded from here, we will allow user to register, and after that user can actually change the photo or upload a new photo from profile page. So we should be good. We are showing this thing, but what we can instead do, we can simply have this changed method here. We'll say post async. We can say photo upload failed. We can have this thing in between, and we'll not have this return, because we want this to process further and show this register successfully and go back to login page. Now there can be multiple ways by which you want to handle this or you notify user. Maybe if you want to have it, you can restrict it here and then have some other method or something like that, then you will just upload this. Or maybe you can have simple error alert here and you will show that registration was successful but photo upload failed, and there could be multiple ways. It totally depends how you are implementing it, but this is the actual functionality. Now we are good, we can try this functionality out. User photo if provided, save it. Let's quickly see if this thing is working. Run the app. We'll register a new user, something using foundation, remove. We are here. Let's go to profile page and log out from here. So do you really want to log out? Yes. Log out. We are on login page. Go to register page. And here if we say choose photo, we have same options. Let's pick from device. Now let's select this broccoli. Accept. We have this broccoli here. Name Mr. Broccoli. Email, let's say brc@gmail.com, and then password 123456. Save and register. We are here. Let's try to log in. brc@gmail.com, password 123456. Let's log in. We are here. Let's go to profile page to see our photo, Mr. Broccoli. And now we can see this photo. So that means uploading photo from the From registration page is also working. We can change this photo if we want to. Right now we don't have any post. Let's quickly create a post as well. Create. Here we'll say test post from Mr. Broccoli. Test. Okay. Post. Post saved. We pull to refresh. We should see that post and we can see this post. If you go to my profile, here we should see that this post in my posts. In bookmarks, nothing. In my post, we have this. All right. So this functionality is working. Let's quickly now fix this thing. This image. This does not look that good. You see, we have this black background kind of thing, and this is not entirely having this a complete thing. So let's quickly work on this. Then we'll be done with image related stuff, photo related stuff. So for this, we know these are coming from our templates. Let's close all, go to our templates. This is text only, right? We'll do in one of them, then we'll copy paste to others. So go to templates, post with, this is post with no image, right? So here we have border, we have image. Border is 40/40, image is 30/30, so that it goes inside this. Then we have aspect as aspect fit. We can change this, or maybe horizontal option center, vertical option center, or we can use the image clip property. So we'll say image dot clip. Inside this we can use geometry, so we can use ellipse geometry. And now here what we can do, we'll say let's start from center. Ellipse center will be 15 and 15 because we have 30 by 30 image. So we'll start from 15 15 and we'll say radius x 15 and radius y also 15. Save it, and now we can see this image is perfectly rounded. Okay, that black part that got cut from all the sides. Okay, so now we have just this image. Cool, I think we are good. First one we can see, this one also we can see. If you see, we have fixed this thing. All right, save this. Let's use this image clip to others as well, or let me copy this entire image thing. Other templates, post with only image. We'll change this, save it. We'll go to post with image, save it, and let's go to comments as well. So we'll go to pages and detail page, post detail page. Here we'll go to comments. Where do we have comments? Comments and user photo URL. So here also we'll change it to this only, user photo. And this user photo is not here. That's because this is comment DTU. So here also we can have the same thing what we are having in our logged in user and our post. Logged in user, we have this thing, right? Photo URL, we'll use this. So user photo, we'll call this user photo, and we'll use this user photo URL, user photo, like this. Save it. Then let's go here, and now we should have this user photo, right? User photo. Save everything. Now we are good. We have done our register page and image. Now next we can try editing a post. If you remember, we still have that functionality. I guess the editing the post, this is the last functionality. After that, we can simply go to a real time updates, right? And then we'll see iOS related stuff. Then we'll try to run our app on iPhone, iOS simulator, and then we'll see if everything is working or is there something which is not working. We'll try to fix those. Right now, we are good with all of these.